I'm just gonna do a quick pour tonight before I go to Pool League. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll kind of talk as I go. So I got these paints off Amazon. I'll show you this way. They make an alcohol ink as well, but these are just metallic acrylic paints. So I've taken my regular paints and I have made it pretty thin. Whoops, had a lot of paint on there. So I've made my paints really thin, and I have alcohol in the white to see what lacing effects I can get there. And then in the other colors, I have nothing. It's just watered down paint. And I'll see what happens. I had a lot of paint on me there. So I thinned my white down a bunch. I don't want to stick anything in it, but here. My white is like super thin. I mean, it won't even stick to the stirring stick. So I'm gonna put my white on first, and this has just got one little dab of alcohol in it. Isopropyl 91% alcohol. So I'm just gonna do that. I like the effect that the electric blue gets. It's really phthalo blue. I call it electric blue because that's what it looks like. And then I like the cobalt against the Paynes gray. And then I think I'll put a little bit more white over top. Again, these have no silicone in them. It's my regular, well, it's a pouring medium. It's just got a GAC 800 liquitex floetrol. I'll put all the recipes down below. So I'm gonna start with this part and just blow a design. I got a lot of paint on there. Stretch it out, get kind of a geometric design on there. Sorry if my head's in the way a little bit. Okay, so from there, I don't quite like that yet. Okay, I like that better. Okay, so what I'm gonna, ooh, I bet you guys that were watching were like, get that corner. Okay, now, so I've already got some lacing and some cool stuff happening in here, which normally happens when I use these colors, these color combinations. So now, what I'm gonna do is put this gold on it. Hope you guys can still see this well. Is put this gold right here through it. And this has no anything in it. Has no mixtures. It's literally just paint. So I'm gonna blow this. And what I've realized is that this gold kind of sits on top and makes its own crazy cells. So I really like this gold. Maybe put a little bit more gold right there. And again, this gold has nothing in it. And see, it's popping up through the other colors. I can't really explain what's going on, but if you guys are looking for a gold that stays bright like gold, Now I'm gonna hit it with the torch. Yeah, the design, the color is amazing. Wow, those little tiny lacing veins. Oh, those cell reactions that are happening right there is amazing. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'll take you down and show you because you can't really see it that well here. Okay, I hope I don't turn the camera off. Okay, I managed not to. Let me zoom out a little bit and then actually take you in on it and see if that works any better. So I've got crazy cells going on here. I like that lacing that's happening right there. Now see if I blow this out, let me see if I can pan you out and do it. See that lacing and those little cells that pop up right there? Oh, I actually really like this. So this was the Lumiere acrylic metallic paint, and it was alcohol in my white, and then very thin down paints. So just a little paint experiment. See what things will do. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me see if I can get in on those cells there. That lacing there. Super cool. All right, thank you guys. See you later. Bye. Happy painting.